welcome back to my channel. So this is just a real quick update. I wanted to talk about the hair growth oil because today is day 8. This is just a week into using it and my hair still looks really good. The fact that I still have my hair down is a shocker because by day 4 my hair is normally really greasy, oily, and I have to pull it up. It starts to get really flaky, and my scalp, as you can see, and I'll show you, my scalp, guys, is looking really good. Like, I am still flake free. Okay, but my hair at this point, it is oily, but it's not like very stiff or weighed down that much, but the strands are a little, you know, stuck together. But again, it has been a full week and I have been using the oil on my scalp every day. I will say my hair kind of had like the more oily, weighed down feeling on day 7, but from for 6 straight days I was flowy, you know, no really oily hair until around day 7. Yes, you dropped your I'll get it in 1 second, okay? Okay. In 1 second. Yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, share that with you guys. So as far as my hair goes, I was going to record me riding my hair, like I said in my last video. Once my hair got oily, the next time I did, I was going to ride it up. But my hair never really has been like this in this oily state, where it was still kind of like flowy in a sense and not really stiff and sticking out. So I really don't have the urge to ride my hair, so I'll probably make that another video maybe later on when I really feel like it. But this time I'm not going to do it, and then I'm going to, you know, probably wash my hair this weekend because it'll be 2 weeks, and I will share with you guys the process of how I use the oil to help my scalp with my scalp eczema and how I used it to flat iron my hair. So just stay tuned for that video, and I will see you all in my next video. Oh, before I go, the company is still working on their website, so just give them some time. It is coming. You will be able to purchase the oil if you're interested in it, so just give them some time. And again, I will update you guys probably in my final video when they are ready to launch. And if they're ready to launch before my final video, I will come back with another update and let you guys know. All right, so she's getting upset because she dropped her teething toy. I'm gonna get it, okay? Did you just do that to me? Yes, you did. All right, guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.